Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Economics. In this video, we'll be learning about what a government budget is and what are the objectives of preparing a government budget. This forms part of the Unit 4 Government Budget and the Economy, that is 6 marks in the board exams. Before getting into what a government budget is, let us understand what is a budget. A budget is just a statement of records showing estimated revenues and estimated expenses. Focus on the word estimated. That is, it is a forecast of the future happening of expenses and revenues. Now, let us study what a government budget is. Government budget. A government budget is an annual financial statement of the government which presents details of its total estimated receipts and total estimated expenditure. The most important topic of this unit, objectives of the government budget. First is mobilizing and marshalling of the resources. The government has to generate more revenue through greater collection of taxes. This may be tax sources and not tax sources of revenue collection. In a government budget, government tries to maximize the sources of revenues from where it can collect more money and utilize this money into the most efficient use. The second objective of government budget is economic growth. Government tries to maximize economic growth through preparation of government budget. In general, economic growth implies increase in the real GDP of an economy, that is, increase in the volume of goods and services that are produced in an economy. Government tries to achieve this objective by providing tax rebates and other incentives so that savings and investments can be stimulated in the economy. Secondly, government tries to increase its own expenditure. Greater expenditure by the government may enhance the production activity in the different sectors of the economy. This generates demand for goods and services in the economy and may also push up the private sector in the economy. The third objective of government budget is balanced regional growth. By balanced regional growth, we mean that different regions and sectors in the economy should be recording an equivalent growth rate. It means that the backward regions should not be lacking behind in terms of growth. Through government budget, government tries to have a hold on these backward regions by providing them tax concessions, rebates and other fiscal incentives, subsidies on inputs, public expenditure on infrastructure in the backward regions, so on and so forth. The fourth objective of government budget is removing inequalities in income distribution. Objective of a government is to ensure that both the rich and the poor people in the country should have an equal opportunity to prosper. A budget can be said to be an useful instrument to achieve this goal of the government. The government budget can be used to achieve this target through various means. Firstly, by providing a progressive taxation of income and wealth, which means that higher the tax rate will be implied on more income earners. Secondly, through government budget, government can also strive to provide skills and job opportunities to weaker sections of the society. The next objective of government budget is achieving price stability in the economy. An economy is said to be stable in terms of prices when it is free in terms of inflation and deflation. Price stability implies that there should be only a gradual and stable rise in the general price level of the economy, instead of volatile fluctuations in the prices. A government budget can be used to achieve this target by the following means. Firstly, an increase in the public expenditure by the government increases the money supply in the economy, leading to inflation and vice versa. Secondly, the government can change the tax rates in response to the needs of the economy. An increase in the tax rates on commodities reduces the public expenditure and also reduces inflation in the economy. The last objective of government budget is creating employment opportunities in the economy. A budget can be extremely useful as employment generation is generally both the cause and effect of economic growth in the country. Budgetary steps promote growth may also result in creation of more employment opportunities for the people of the economy. Government may also provide subsidies to the production units that employ labor intensive techniques and generate employment in the economy. Also, through its budget, government launches various government schemes like MG Narega and also makes certain changes to it from time to time. For more videos, please follow